1 whole cabbage, 1 whole bell pepper, green, and 1 whole bell pepper red. Salt, pepper, and a little cayenne pepper. And that's it. And I'm going to cover it and let it cook. Let it steam rather. Got a beautiful day unboxed it. Half a cup of water with ginger, and then I'm gonna add this chopped garlic to the pan. I added some water to this container. So I'm gonna go ahead. It smells so good in here. I'm gonna cut this up in about 5 minutes. I added some carrots and some white potatoes to the vegetables. You have to try this recipe. It's very good and it's healthy for you.